Desmond? Yeah! Happy! Desmond.
Whoa, what a mess.
Happy birthday.
Show your hands to Mama.
Hands.
Did you like your birthday cake? Was it good? Oh, haven't we done that enough today already? Look at the state of your hair. Very nice. I was thinking after beeswax and tea tree oil and Vaseline and baby lotion, I think the thing that your hair definitely needs is some chocolate cake.
It's so cute. Are you happy, Desmond? Yeah.
Are you happy?
Okay,
You happy?
2-year-old birthday.
Yeah, he can say mini. You see?
Yeah.
I am happy.
Oh no.
Yeah, you can take like a video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's cool is you can take video and then you can cut stills from the video
Yeah.
using the camera and just turn them into individual photos. So you're taking effectively 24 photos every second. Is that fun? Is that fun? Oh, more chocolate in your hair.
Mama, Mama,
Mama's right here.
Mama, Mama. Hands, hands, hands.
Hands. Yeah.
Clap, clap, clap.
Happy boy.
Yep, very happy. All right.